This may look hard, but number 8 is one of those free points questions where all you have to do is kind of follow instructions and get the points out of the chart and put them into the equation, and you're basically done. There's really not a lot of math here, but it's another example where I would just show my work as I plug my points into my equations, and that way I don't accidentally lose a negative or something like that. So let's take choice A as an example, right? So 1 is the value of x, okay? So that means I'm going to be using this row for choice A, right? Well, what do they have me do? They have me get the w of x, which is this -1, add it to the t of x, which is -3, so -1 plus -3, and it's supposed to equal the x value. Well, that's not true in this case, because -1 plus -3 would be -4, and -4 does not equal 1. So that's it. We've just proven that wrong. So there's probably some way that we can kind of shortcut it, but it doesn't take too long to just do all of these. Watch. So for 2, that's choice B, we're going to do 3 plus -1 is equal to 2. That is true. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 is equal to 2. We're done. And because we've proven our answer, we don't need to try the other ones. We easily could, but we've proven it. It's not like we were getting it through some sort of, that was the last one left. So just to be clear, if we did 3, that's here, choice C. So that would be 4 plus 1 is equal to 3. 5 is not equal to 3. So C is wrong. And D is here. So that would be 3 plus 3 is equal to 4. 6 is not equal to 4. So now we're proving B. But I think you could have just cut it short once you've gotten it here. But this is a great example of how just because this function notation is part of a question, it doesn't mean that it's difficult. We are kind of halfway through the section, so there is a little bit of like a worry that things might have traps or be difficult. But this is a good example where it's difficult because of the way it's structured and the way that function notation appears in the question. But the actual math is simple. There aren't really any traps. Just do as you're told, follow the instructions, and everything should work out great.